Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Arpita AK tutorial. Today we are discussing about Pinnately compound leaves in detail. In previous video we know that there are two types of leaves can be seen mainly. The first one is the Pinnately compound leaves and the another one is the Palmately compound leaves. Here we are going to know about Pinnately compound leaves in detail and we discuss some of the types involved in this Pinnately compound leaves. Mainly we got four types. Discuss one by one. The first one is the unipinnate. Here unipinnate means Pinnately compound means whatever the incisions they are present which does not touch the midrib. That is the concept of Pinnately compound. Here in which unipinnate means only one incision is present. If only one incision is present, then it is called as the unipinnate. Again we got two types in unipinnate. The first one we are going to discuss is the peripinnate. And the second one is the imperipinnate. In peripinnate what happens? A single incision is present in pair. Here we already know that they are the incisions and they are always present in pairs. Even number of leaflets are present. Okay, there we called it as a leaflets. Even number is present either side. Even number leaflets are present, then it is called as the peripinnate. The example for this is tamarindus is the example. Another example is the cassia. Here imperipinnate. Here what happens? Odd number of leaflets present. Can you take on the example of rose leaf? Here we can see here the leaves are present in pair, but here another extra leaf is present at the tip. That is it found in odd number. We can give the example of rose, and in a neem also we can see this type of imperipinnate. And the second one we are going to discuss is after unipinnate is bipinnate. Bi means it is two, means it consists of two incisions. Here consider it is the midrib. In here we call it as a rachis. Here the leaves are present in pair. They are the first incisions. We know that bipinnate means there are two incisions. This is the first incisions. They are the normal leaflets which is present always in pairs. What happens in the second incisions? Here the leaflets is again divided into small leaves. It looks like this. The leaflets is again divided into small leaf-like structure. Means this is the first incision and it is the second incision. Bipinnate. It consists of two incisions. And this type of the leaves, this leaflets which again divided into small leaf-like structure, that is called as pinnules. That is called as pinnules. And whatever the rachis is present, the leaflets which attached to that midrib, that is called rachilla. That is called rachilla. The example is acacia, and we can also give mimosa is the example. And third one is tripinnate. Don't confuse with imperipinnate and tripinnate. Okay, most of them give example for tripinnate is rose. No, the example for imperipinnate is rose. We can give tripinnate, the example is moringa. Okay, here what happens, the leaflets is means tripinnate means 3 incisions present. Here the first is the first incisions, the leaf present in pairs. The second incisions, the leaf is divided into small leaf-like structures. And in third incision what happens, this is again divided into further small parts, small leaf-like structures. That is the 3 incisions is present. That is called as the tripinnate. The example is moringa. That is the drumstick. Okay. And the fourth one, if the incision is present more than 3, okay, then it is called as decompound leaves. Decompound leaves. What happens? Here more than 3 incisions are present. More than 3 incisions are present. Can you given the example like carrot? They are the common examples. Can you see? A coriander is also the example for compound leaves. We can see more number of incisions. Here the first one, unipinnate, bipinnate, tripinnate, compound leaves. Here unipinnate is divided into peripinnate and imperipinnate.